Hi, my name is Taran Fry and I'm the General Manager at Gundle API and I've been here for 10 years. So we've been in the industry for 80 years, which comes with a lot of experience. I think what's very important for the modern agriculture and construction industry is guys have a misconception about plastic. Plastic is a plain and simple product, when in actual fact it's so versatile. We can pretty much do anything with the product. In terms of customer needs, customer requirements, modern agriculture and construction allows us to fall in line with what modern techniques or modern methods of use are for, in this case specifically farmers, even in the construction industry. So it allows us a lot more versatility. Sustainability obviously is something that we carry very high. Again, as I mentioned, input costs are rising on the day-to-day basis, so we're conscious of being sustainable in that regard.
I'm Tracy Lee Collins. I am internal sales and I've been with the company for 10 years. I think our main focus is customer satisfaction. We have to get to know what the clients are looking for. I think the reliability and the durability of the Gundle products is quite key. Service and support is extremely important. Clients tend to come back to us, they are repeat clients. We've had clients for many, many years that continue using the Gundle brands.
My name is Kurt Peters. I'm the factory manager. I've been with Gundle just over 10 years. Quality is a big thing in our company. We are ISO and SABS accredited, so we really emphasize quality. Quality checks are done by staff on the machine as well as our quality department. We are ISO 9001 accredited as well as SABS. We comply to the SANS 952. That's the specifications are regards to the thickness of the material, the width, length, the makeup of the material. We use what is called a blown film extruder. What that means is material will get put into the machine. It gets heated up to a melting point and gets pushed into what's known as a circular die at high pressures, and it comes out in a circular form, which is a bubble. That product will get pulled up to what we call nip rollers, and we got 7 different machines, and each machine has got a different output. You don't get the same amount of production from one machine to another, but generally we reach between 38 and 45 tons a day.
Hi, my name is Jared Ernston. I'm the financial manager here and I've been with the company for 10 years. There's 3 factors that we focus on as management and as a company, which is cash flow generation, working capital management and disciplined cost control. Where we've got a competitive advantage, we've got diversified streams in terms of construction, agriculture and insulation. And we've got quite a bit of flexibility in terms of the width of plastic that we make. Through building long-term relationships with customers and distributors, I think it's very important. There's a quote that I go by Steve Jobs, I think. It says that if a customer buys once, you've sold a product. If they come back, you build trust, and if they tell others, you build a brand.
Gundle has at least 80 years experience in the business, but the most important part is our quality. Quality is an extremely important part of our factory, and that is one of the biggest reasons why customers should choose Gundle.